What's up, guys? Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a maze game but with obstacles. So we're first going to delete the cat, and we're going to go into the backdrops. Now we're going to convert it to bitmap, fill the screen with red. Now we can go back to vector now to another color, which is red with saturation. And we're going to start drawing a path. Oh, don't forget to remove the outline. Now, we're going to add a sprite. And we're going to draw. We're going to convert it to bitmap. And we're going to draw a very dark red square. Very small. Now in code, we're going to start with when green flag clicked. And we're going to set the rotation style to don't rotate. Point in direction 180. Now forever. Move one step. And if we're touching the color red, which is the outline, then we're going to turn 180 degrees. So we're going to drag this square into the path. And now it starts slowly moving up and down. So that's going to be our obstacle, but it's a little too big, so we're going to want to make it a little smaller. Either that, or we could just make the player small. So now we're gonna duplicate this. We'll make 6 obstacles. And we're gonna drag them to random parts of the level. Now, for the ones that are moving up and down, we can leave the direction at 180. But for the ones that are moving side to side, like this one, we can change it to 90. So if we start the game, all of our obstacles are moving side to side. So since they're kind of wide or taking up the path, we can make the player either a very small rectangle or a dot. So we're going to add another sprite. And we are going to make it a nice blue little circle. Tiny itsy circle that could fit in the space. In the code, we're gonna go where green flag clicked. Go to x minus 180 and Y 170. And we're gonna set the rotation style. Don't rotate. Now, repeat until touching color. So we're gonna repeat until we're gonna keep this running until we hit the side of the maze or one of the enemy squares. Now for the moving code, we can just do a simple move code with the if-thens. And our player is gonna move slowly, so we're only gonna change it by 2. Or maybe 3 if. And at the end, so if repeat until, and at the end here, if we touch these colors, then we're gonna stop up. Now, just for fun, you could add a little mad face onto the enemy square. So now we can test out the game. But first, let's drag the circle inside the maze. Oh, our X position is, we need to set it to inside the maze because this was set and it spawned outside. So we're gonna put it inside the maze, and that's gonna be our new X position and Y position. So we can start the game. At the end of the level, it doesn't do anything when you win, so we're gonna add a color. And so, player, if I clicked, forever, if then, and we can even add a sound. And we can add a sound.